How to delete suggestions on Instagram search. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete suggestions on Instagram search after the latest update. Now to do so, first, if you open Instagram app and head into the search option that you can see on the screen right here, as you head on to search, you'll get varieties of suggestions that Instagram suggests you. Now if you don't like any of these suggestions, or if you don't like one particular suggestion, what you can do is first either tap and hold, or what you can do is tap and open up the post or the suggestion that has been shown to you by Instagram, and here you'll get the three dots option on the screen along with the post. Tap on it and you'll get the option not interested. Now if you want, you can report the post as well, but if not, what you can do is simply tap on not interested, and then if you head on to search bar, it will be removed, and then Instagram will suggest you less of such posts. So this way you can delete or remove Instagram suggestions. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.